Good morning children. In this video we will learn about simple present tense. In simple present tense, the verb indicate an action in present tense. Look at the example. First one is Neha skips every morning. In this sentence, skip is the verb and it is indicating that the action is taking place in the present tense. Next example is I go to school at 8 a.m. In this sentence, go is verb and it is indicating that the action is taking place in the present tense. Now children, look here very carefully. In the first sentence, Neha skips every morning. In the verb skip, we have added an s. And in the next sentence, I go to school at am. In the verb go, there is no s. And why we have done this? We will find out in the next slide. To form the simple present tense, we add an s or es to the base verb for singular nouns or pronouns. For the example, the boy reads a book. Now in this sentence, how many boys are there? There are only one boy. So the boy is singular. So with the singular noun, we will add an s to the verb, right? So that's why we have added s to read. The boy reads a book. Now in this sentence, the monkey eats a banana. Now how many monkeys are here? There is only one monkey. So the monkey is singular. So noun is singular. We have already established in the previous slide that with singular noun we will add s or es to the verb to make it present tense, simple present tense. That's why we have added an s with eat to make it simple present tense. The monkey eats a banana. We cannot write the monkey eat a banana. That would be wrong. In this sentence, he plays football every evening. He is a pronoun and we use he for single male. Okay? So he is singular. So with singular noun and pronoun, we will add s to the verb and the verb is play. That's why we have added s to the verb play to make it plays. He plays football every evening. This is correct sentence. And we will not write he play. That would be wrong. With singular pronoun or noun, we will add s to the verb to make it simple present tense. In this sentence, she drives the car. She is a pronoun and we use she for single female. Okay? So with she is a singular, so we will add s to the verb drive. The verb is drive, so we will add s to the verb drive to make it simple present tense. The correct sentence will be she drives the car. Okay, it is correct. And we will not write she drive the car. That would be wrong. With singular noun and pronouns, we will add s to the verb to make it simple present tense. Now children, to form the simple present tense, we use base verb for plural nouns and pronouns. So now with plural nouns or pronouns, we will not add any s or es to the verb. We will leave the verb as it is. Like in this example, the boys play football every evening. Now in this sentence, how many boys are there? There are many boys. Okay? So boys are many. So with many, we will not add any s to the verb. We will leave the verb as it is. Like play. In this sentence, play is our verb. So we will not add any s or es with play. We will leave it as it is. The boys play football every evening. We will not write the boys plays. We cannot write s with play. We will only add s with singular noun or pronoun. Is it clear? I hope it's clear. Now in this example, Kavya and Rudra fly a cat. There are two children, Kavya and Rudra. So we have, how many nouns we have? We have multiple nouns. We have two nouns. That means we have more than one. So with plural nouns, we will not add any s to the verb. That's why we have written fly as it is. Kavya and Rudra fly a cat. We will not write Kavya and Rudra flies a kite. That we will not write. That would be wrong. Now in this example, they run a race. They, we write they for, they is a pronoun. We use they for many. Okay, many girls, many boys, many people. So they refers to plural. So with plural we will add no s, no es to the verb. We will leave the verb as it is. In this sentence the verb is run. So we will not add any s or es to the verb. They run a race. We will not write they runs a race. That would be wrong. Now in this sentence, we eat lunch together. We is a pronoun and we use we for plural. So we have already established that with plural we will not add any s or es to the verb. In this sentence the verb is eat. So we will write we eat lunch together. We will not write we eats lunch together. That would be wrong. Now in this example, I walk in the park every day. I is a pronoun and we use I for singular noun. But here is an exception. With I we will not add any s or es to the verb. We will leave the verb as it is. I walk in the park every day. We will not write I walks in the park every day. That would be wrong. Now in this example, you write very slowly. You refers to singular and plural both. So with you we will not add any s or es to the verb. We will leave the verb as it is. So you write very slowly, it's correct. We will not write you writes very slowly. That would be wrong. Now we will do some questions on simple present tense. Let's do them together. Complete these sentences with the simple present tense form of the words in the brackets. The verbs are given in the bracket and you have to write the verb in the simple present tense. First one is the flowers in spring and the verb is bloom. So how many flowers are there? Is it singular or plural? So flowers, they are plural, and with plural we will add no s to the verb. Just write the verb as it is. Verb is bloom, so just write the verb bloom. The flowers bloom in spring. Next one, the bird dash on the branch and the verb is sing. Bird, how many words? Only one bird. Bird is singular. So with singular we will add s to the verb and the verb is sing. So write s with the verb sing. So answer would be the bird sings on the branch. Next, we dash you a very happy journey. We is a plural. Okay, plural pronoun. So with plural no s. So just write the verb as it is. Verb is wish. So just write the verb wish in the blank. We wish you a very happy journey. Next one. Meeta dash her books and the verb is arrange. Meeta is singular or plural? Meeta is singular. Meeta is a name of a girl. So it is singular. So with singular noun we will add s to the verb. Verb is arrange. So add s to the verb and it will become Meeta arranges her book. Next, the boys dash the firewood and the verb is fetch. Fetch means bring. And the boys singular or plural? Boys are plural. So with plural we will add no s, only write the verb. Just write the verb fetch in the blank. The boys fetch the firewood. Next one, the kittens dash in the basket. The kittens, they are plural. So with plural, no s to the verb. Just write the verb as it is. Verb is sleep. The kitten sleep in the basket. Next one, we dash the church bell at 5 p.m. every day. We is a plural pronoun. So with plural, we will add no s to the verb. Just write the verb as it is. Verb is here, so just write the verb here in the blank. We hear the church bell at 5 p.m. every day. Next, my leg dash from standing for so long. My leg is singular or plural? Leg is only one, so it is singular. So with singular we will add s to the verb. Verb is hurt, so add an s to the verb hurt. So answer would be my leg hurts from standing for so long. Next one, they dash eating ice cream. They is plural pronoun. So with plural, no s to the verb. Just write the verb as it is. They like eating ice cream. Last one, all the sheep dash over the fence. All the sheep plural. So with plural, no s to the verb. And the verb is leap. Leap is to jump. So answer would be all the sheep leap over the fence. Okay. Now here is answer. You can note down the answers in your notebook. Now children, here is homework for you. Okay, same question. Complete the sentences in the simple present tense. Thank you very much for watching this video.